So hey gang, I was in the Face of Skin model contest for Skyn Iceland. I didn't win, however, they thought my entry was so awesome that they sent me some free swag. So let's see what I got. Very exciting. Ugh, it's very impossible to open. Okay, let's see what I got here. Okay. Whoop. Okay, so it says goodbye dress here. Oh, so I got a handwritten note. It says, "Dear Amy, here's a little thank you for sending us your photos. Enjoy. Skyn Iceland." It's handwritten. So let's see what I got here. Ooh. It's the Skin Hangover Kit. There we go. It helps revive and restore overworked, overstressed, depleted skin and eyes. It says, vaguely remember having several drinks after dinner. How many is too many? Why did I think staying out until 3 a.m. was a good idea? Skin is dehydrated and as dull as my last blind date. I mean, if you saw my Facebook, you saw the last date I had. It was a little, he was as dry as straw. Credit card bill overdue? Nope. Mortgage payment keeping me up at night? Nope. But look at that. It's got like 4 or 5 different products in here. Let's rip that up and find out what we got in here. Oh my gosh. I'm totally going to take this. Oops. To New York with me. Oh my god. Okay, so there's Icelandic Relief Eye Pen. There's a Hydro Cool Firming Eye Gels. There's a daily lotion. And there is a sheet mask in here. Oh my god, thank you, Skyn Iceland. So, that was my lovely gift I got. And now I'm going to go, I don't know, enjoy some eye relief. Thanks.